Hi everybody, it's Sassy with Seasons with Sassy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some birthday tier trays for birthday parties. I've got 2 birthdays this month. 2 of my daughters have birthdays, so I'm going to be making these for the birthday parties that they're going to be having at our house. I found these bowls at the Dollar Tree, these really fun confetti bowls. I got 3 of those. I'm going to make a tray out of those, and then I have these these plastic plates that also have confetti on them that we'll be making into a tray, and then they have this rectangle one that we will be making into a fun tray. And we're going to be using these mini cordial glasses to be lifting up each of those trays. So I hope you guys stick around because it's going to be a lot of fun and it'll be really easy, which is one of my favorite kind of projects. Fast and easy. All right, let's get started. The first tier that we're going to do, or stand, is going to be a bowl stand. And I'm only going to use 2 of these. But the first thing you obviously want to do is take off these stickers. And I found that the slower you go, the easier they are to get off without getting any of that junk on there. Sticker junk. Okay, so because these are plastic, I am just going to use hot glue. It just is going to be the easiest thing. And this first one is going to be so easy. All I'm going to do is put hot glue around the inner edge. And you don't want to go too far off the edge just because you don't want it to stick out of your bowl when you get it on there. And I'm just going to help this a little bit. Maybe get a new glue gun. Down the middle, and then all I'm going to do is stand up and make sure this gets on nice and even. Watch your fingers so they don't get burned. Alright, and there you have it. This one was pretty easy, and this is kind of fun because you can put some ribbon around this middle part so you don't see the seam if you don't want to, and then you can also put stuff underneath it to just add more fun decor. You could do like little balloons, you could do like party confetti, anything like that you can put underneath to make it a little bit more decorative, and then you can put some candy or popcorn or whatever you're using for your birthday party. So there's that tray, and I'll take some pictures and post them at the end just to kind of show you what they look like on the final touches there. Okay, so I'm going to do this plate tray next. There is 4 plates in each of these bundles. And then I'm going to take out these cordial glasses. And these come in packs of 6. Okay. So this one, I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to, I'm going to do 4 on the bottom, and then 1 in the middle here, and then 1 on the top one. So I'm going to put this upside down, and I'm going to hot glue 4 of these to the bottom. Okay, so now we've got our first set done. So now we're gonna move on to our middle trays here. And it's kind of nice because this confetti is like right on the outskirts of that. I just have to decide if I want to do it like this. I'm gonna do it this way. So I decided to do the glass upside down just so that it was a little bit more sturdy on the bottom, a little thicker around the bottom to hold up the next plate. These would be something fun to put like cupcakes on or just any kind of treat. Or you can even just add party decorations. I prefer treats on these. Okay, now I'm gonna add glue to the top to put the next plate on. And you wanna make sure it's pretty good and in the middle. Okay, so this is the last tier that I'm gonna do on this one. The other thing is, I wanted to let you guys know, I did get some of the little mini plates. So if you wanted to, you could do just like a little one, a big one, and then one little one, and then call it good. I just wanted a bigger one for this tray, just in case you wanted to do cupcakes. I think I am going to do one of those trays for you guys to see just how that looks with just the bigger one and the smaller one. So I'll do that next. And I think I'm going to do this one upside down just because it might be fun to stick some like picks in this top one. So if we leave this open, you can have some fun like sticks popping out of it, making it look more festive. Kind of like with tinsel or something, just something to make it look more festive. So I think I'm going to glue this top one upside down. Unlike I did the other ones, they were all bigger on the bottom. This one's going to be bigger on the top and open, so you can put flowers or some fun picks. And I'll probably be adding some ribbon around the bottom. Okay, so this one is done. I'm just going to show you guys kind of tilted how it looks. There's 4 stands on, or 4 of these cups on the bottom. And then I put a middle piece in between each one, and this one I put upside down on top so you can put stuff in it to make it look really kind of fun. I'm excited to show you the end picture for these. Okay, now I am going to do one of these trays that has the smaller plate on top. All right. I'm gonna leave that one just how it is. So that's just kind of fun. You can put like a little focal point on the top of this one, and I just love these. And for $1 to make some cute tier trays, it's not bad. Okay, so this is my final one that I'm going to do. These ones, looks like I need to take stickers off these. The bottom part is going to be flat, so I'm not going to put anything to lift it up. It's just going to kind of be a flat tier tray. I'm just gonna kind of set this up to see how I want it to look. There are these two spots, I don't know if you can see, but there's these two spots where you can see there's a circle right here and a circle right here. And I'm trying to decide if that's where I want to put these or if I want to put them closer off to the side. I think I am going to put them closer to that middle, but I want them to line up with these circles. So I'm actually going to connect it to this tray, the second level tray first, because I want them to show up nicely here more than I do on the bottom, because that's what people will see. Kind of have to do this quickly because you're doing both at the same time on this one. You don't want that hot glue to dry too fast. Make sure you got your trays even. Oh, you guys, this is looking cute already. I do see a little spot, so I'm gonna go in and just add some glue. Should get a really good seal on those. Okay, now we're gonna do our top tray. So it's the same thing on this one. We want the glasses to be even with these two circles right here. So I'm going to glue those on first to the top. Okay, now we're gonna glue this top piece. All right, and there is this rectangled tier tray that we have now. And I am going to put some things on this just so you can kind of see what they look like, and I'll put some ribbons probably around some of the bases of the stands, and yeah, we'll show you what it looks like. So we did this rectangle tier tray, and then we did this flat, larger plate and smaller plate tier tray, and then we did this 3-level, kind of like a cupcake or whatever you want tray that you can put things out of the top. And then we did this kind of candy dish that's just heightened by the bowl being turned upside down on the bottom. Probably add some ribbon to this and then put some fun stuff underneath since it's clear. I love these clear ones. The clear ones are really fun. And I am going to add some ribbon and then I will show you the end result.